Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to schedule physical lens shielding by time on Xiaomi C302. So first, go into the three dots in the top right corner on your Xiaomi Home app, then Camera Settings, Physical Lens Blocking. Then schedule physical lens blocking, click the plus, and schedule time. Now select when to repeat, for example once, every day, or the custom, then physical lens blocking starting time and blocking ending time. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.